for .ing. Let's say I join, I link my social media accounts, I link my LinkedIn, Spotify, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, all the normal ones. I then get a profile for me based on my social media presence or my digital footprint, creating a more authentic view of who I'm as a person. And then our AI, her name is Cupid, she's pretty cute. She'll give me 3 to 5 matches a day based on my digital footprint. So let's say I get 3 matches, Ashley, Kimberly, Jane, a small little bio on each. And I don't get bombarded with matches because we want you to dive more into each individual as a person. So let's say Jane catches my fancy. I'm like, okay, tell me more about Jane. Okay, based on her Instagram, she tags a bunch of national parks. You also go to national parks. Oh, she's the youngest in her family. You're the oldest in your family. Because, okay, based on pattern recognition, the oldest usually works well the youngest. They'll mention that. It's like, oh, did you know that on Spotify, you both listen to this one obscure artist that no one else listens to? Oh, did you know this one obscure artist has a concert coming up in a month? Would you like me to suggest that date for Jane? She sees my profile, she accepts or denies. If she wants, we can have the option to talk like via FaceTime. But the cool thing is, like I mentioned, we put our users in the position to succeed by setting with the back end. So let's say, for example, that Spotify example didn't tell us that we both have this one artist, but it still matched us because of that. So it'll match you because of stuff in the background. So let's say we meet in person, we kick it off. That still happened. Just because Cupid didn't mention it, it's still there. So that could come up organically. So hopefully if we match people with similar interests, they do better. See, our app functions pretty much the opposite of Tinder, whereas like on the dating apps, the longer you're on, the more likely you stay on. For us, the longer you're on the app, the smarter the app gets at matchmaking, the more likely you are to take it off.